Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to format text into title case in Google Sheets using AI. To do this, you first need to add an extension. To install, go to the top menu and click on Extensions. Then, from the drop-down, click on Add-ons and select Get Add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace in a pop-up window. In the search bar at the top right, type GPT for Sheets and press Enter. From the search results, install this. In this tutorial, I already have it installed, but on your end, there is an Install button at the bottom right part. Click this and follow the instructions on the screen to complete the setup. Once it's installed, you can open it by going back to the Extensions menu at the top. Hover over the extension you will use, then click Open. To format text into title case, we will use the GPT format function. For this example, we will use sample best book choice results. First, click on the cell where you want to put the formatted text, then type this formula, $GPT_format, open round bracket, then click the cell containing the book title you want to format, type comma, double quotation marks, then type title case, double quotation marks, then type close round bracket. Press Enter and after a few moments, the extension will format the text into title case. I will not do this for the rest of the data because it takes up some loading time, but if you want to apply this for all the data, click the cell with the formula and hover over the bottom right corner of the cell where you see a small blue circle until your cursor transforms into crosshairs. Click the circle and drag down. Google Sheets will copy the formula until you stop dragging, and the results will show in the respective cells. So, that is how you format text into title case in Google Sheets using AI. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.